If you want to enable LED edge lighting for social media apps and other notifications on your Galaxy S25 Ultra or Plus, where it lights up around the edges or the camera hole whenever there is an alert, following this guide will show you how to turn it on and customize this awesome feature. So for that, let's open up Settings, scroll down for Notification, then go to Notification Pop-up Style. To turn on edge lighting, first make sure Brief option is turned on. And also go to Apps to show as brief and make sure all your necessary apps are selected in here. I'm just going to turn it on for all the apps. Now enter edge lighting style. Now all the options except glitter have an additional color option, from where it can change or further customize the edge lighting color. But honestly, if you want a recognizable edge lighting, glitter is the best option. After that, you can enter the advanced option, from where it can customize transparency, width, and duration options. The lower transparency, the better, and the more width and duration, the more noticeable edge lighting you'll have. And lastly, just press down to save your settings. And from here, make sure Show Even While Screen is Off option is turned on. And from now on, whenever you get a notification, you'll get your selected edge lighting up on your screen. Thanks for watching.